Hey there, Joel here, and welcome to my channel Math World. Today we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables, and you can solve them by any of the methods that you have learned, but the equations are a little complicated. Okay, and here they are. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13, and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Now whenever you have equations like this written in a fraction form, you need to convert them in a simpler manner. So what I will do is, just imagine I have written this 2, right? Let me move this 2 little at the side and I will get something like this. So I have written this 2 outside, like little moved it away. Now you tell me, what should I write over here so that I get my answer as 2 again? Definitely I'll have to write 1, which will make 2 into 1 as 2 upon x again, plus I've written this 3 at the side. What will I write over here so that I get my answer as 3? I'll have to write 1. Similarly over here I'll have to write 1, and 4 moved aside, so I will write 1 again over here. Now if you notice, I have 1 upon x in this equation and 1 upon x in this equation as well. Similarly, I have 1 upon y and here also 1 upon y. Why not, instead of complicating it this way, let us change that 1 upon x to something simpler. And what I will do is, I will say, let 1 upon x be a. Now I have given this 1 upon x a new name and I have called it a. And like that, I have given this 1 upon y another name, which is b. So now my new equation will become 2a, because 1 upon x I have said as a. So it will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. So I have written over here 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. And similarly, this would become 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. Now if you look at these equations, let me consider them as 1 and this one is 2. Now if you look at these equations, this is like the normal equation that we used to solve earlier. Now if I want to, which one should I cancel? Will I cancel this or this? Definitely this one. Why? Is because it has a positive and a negative sign. But to cancel this, my coefficients also have to be same. And how do I make them same? Multiply this 4 in the first equation, multiply this 3 in the next equation. And after multiplying 4 and 3 in those equations, what I will get is 8a plus 12b is equal to 52. And this will be 15a minus 12b is equal to minus 6. And now my signs are different, coefficients are same, so I can cancel this off. And this would become 8 plus 15 is 23a equals to 52 minus 6 is equal to 46, sign of the greater number. So a will be 46 upon 23. 23 multiplied on this side goes on the other side, gets divided. After that, my a value will become 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46. So I substitute a is equal to 2 in my first equation, which would become, okay, so a is equal to 2, right? So 2a, and this would become 2 to the is 4, so 13 minus 4 is equal to 3b, and this is 13 minus 4 is 9, B I've kept over here. This 3 which is multiplied goes on the other side, gets divided. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So my B value is equal to 3. Now, am I supposed to find out value of A and B? No, I have to find out value of X and Y. Now to find X and Y, what I will do is, I had considered rather 1 upon X to be A and 1 upon Y to be B. Now what is my answer for A? A I have already calculated to be 2. So instead of A, I will write 2. So 1 upon X is equal to 2 and 1 upon Y which is equal to B, but my B value I have already calculated to be 3. So I'll write 3 over here. Okay, so this would become, take this 2 in the denominator which is multiplied with 1, goes on the other side, comes in the denominator. This is in the denominator, goes on the other side and comes in the numerator. So this will become 1 upon 2 equals to X, and this will become 1 upon 3 equals to Y. Therefore, my solution for X and Y is 1 upon 2 and Y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, if you have understood this method, why don't you try solving this problem? It is 5 upon X minus 1 plus 1 upon Y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 upon X minus 1 minus 3 upon Y minus 2 is equal to 1. I'll just give you a brief idea how to go about, and all I'm doing is keeping this 5 at the side, right? So moving it away, I'll put a bracket, and what should I put over here so that this entire thing, when you multiply, comes back to the original form? I'll have to put 1. Similarly, I'll have to put 1 over here because 1 1 is 1. Here also I'll write 1. So 6 1 is 6 upon X minus 1, and this also will be 1. Now what will I do? I will take 1 upon X minus 1 to be A and 1 upon Y minus 2 to be B. So my equation will become 5A plus 1B is equal to 2, and this will become 6A minus 3B is equal to 1. And after you have got those simplified equations, solve them by any method. Elimination you can solve, you can try by substitution or cross multiplication, or you can try all three as well. Okay, so solve that and then again come back to the answer. Once you have got the value of A, I'll write 1 upon X minus 1 is equal to that, and then solve it. Okay, so once you try it, you can take a picture and send it to me on my email ID. Email ID is in the description box down. You can send it. Unless and until you practice, you'll not be able to do it. So keep your fingers moving right and solve the problems, and you will be able to. That's it for now, and this is Joel signing off from this video. Take care. Bye bye. God bless. And if you like my work, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and may the love for math grow. Bye bye.